Dear students, today we will start our next chapter, that is the 12th chapter, thermodynamics. So, what is the thermodynamics? Have you any idea what is the thermodynamics? So, when you rub your hand with each other, rub your palm, then what happens? Heat is produced. Okay, that means here in this case what you can say, so you can say your mechanical work, that is a energy, is converted into heat energy. Okay, so here mechanical energy is converted into heat energy, right? Now is the reverse process possible, that is our heat energy converted into mechanical energy? So yes. Okay, and this particular branch is known as thermodynamics. Okay, so here our topic 12.1, that is the introduction of thermodynamics. So generally thermodynamics, that is in this thermodynamics topic, our heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Okay, now see, so here a first question arises, that what is the heat? What is the heat, right? So what is heat? So you can say the hotness or coldness, that is related something with heat. So you are absolutely right. So here we can say that what is the hotness and what is the coldness. So suppose here we consider a container, right? In this container water is filled, okay, and when we heat it, then what happen? The molecule of this water absorb the heat, and they are in oscillation, their random motion is going on, increasing, and here you can say their kinetic energy is increased, and some amount of kinetic energy is released in terms of heat energy, right? That means here we can say that the energy associated with this kinetic energy, that is known as heat energy. Then what is a heat? Once again question remain. Okay, so we can say that friends, heat is a concept. Heat क्या है? Heat is a concept, right? Exactly what is a concept? कि for example एक कप है, right? कप के अंदर है hot tea. Okay, it is what? Hot tea. Now what happened? After some time, sufficient time, the temperature of surrounding and the hot tea is remain same. मतलब जो टी का टेम्परेचर है वो धीरे धीरे डिक्रीज होगा. That means now you can say that the heat is flow from cup of tea to the atmosphere, right? मतलब अब यहाँ पर ये जो कप ऑफ टी, मतलब जहाँ पर हम ऑब्जर्वेशन कर रहे हैं, इसको हम कहेंगे सिस्टम, और ये जो बाहर का पोर्शन है, that is known as surrounding, system and surrounding, right? So here heat is flow from system to surrounding. That means you can say that the something is flow from system to surrounding, right? So this something flow is known as heat, right? Now the heat is flow from higher temperature to lower temperature. What? It flow from higher temperature to lower temperature, right? Something is flow, that is the heat is flow from higher temperature to lower temperature, right? मतलब heat concept है. Okay, इसकी शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई थी? तो ये कैलोरिक करके एक नाम दिया था साइंटिस्ट रूमफोर्ड ने. ओके, तो उनका जो बेसिक काम था वो क्या था कि जो बड़े बड़े पत्थर होते थे, रॉक, उसको वो ड्रिलिंग से ड्रिल करते थे. ओके, जैसे ही गर्म हो जाता था तो थोड़ा पानी डालते थे. ओके, तो वो पानी इवोपरेट हो जाता था. तो क्वेश्चन है कि ये पानी इवोपरेट कैसे हुआ? तो इनिशियली उन्होंने एक कैलोरिक करके नाम दिया, कैसा कुछ प्रोड्यूस होता है जो वाटर को इवोपरेट करता है. मतलब वहां से हीट की शुरुआत हुई, राइट? सो यू कैन से इट इज अ बेसिक कंसेप्ट. सो इट इज जस्ट 12.1 टॉपिक, दैट इज अ हीट एंड थर्मोडायनेमिक्स. तो यहाँ पर हमने हीट क्या है वो देखा एंड हीट एनर्जी क्या है वो देखा. ओके, मतलब जो फिजिकली हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं दैट इज अ हीट एनर्जी. ओके, सपोज हमारे पास एक सिंपल एक स्टेटमेंट आपको कहना है, हमारे पास दो ऑब्जेक्ट है, एक है हॉट टी, ओके, और दूसरा है आइसक्रीम, कोल्ड आइसक्रीम, ओके। तो हमारा नॉर्मल स्टेटमेंट क्या होगा? द आइसक्रीम इज कोल्ड देन द हॉट टी, अदरवाइज दिस टी इज हॉट देन आइसक्रीम, ओके। बट यहां पर जो हम वर्ड यूज कर रहे हैं कि दिस कप ऑफ टी हैविंग अ मोर हीट देन द आइसक्रीम, ओके। तो एग्जैक्टली टेक्निकली ये स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है। वी कैन से दैट द हॉट कप टी हैविंग अ मोर हीट एनर्जी देन द आइसक्रीम, ओके। बट जनरली हम बोलते आते हैं, देन सामने वाला समझ भी जाता है, ओके। सो इट इज नॉट इश्यू, सो इट इज जस्ट information regarding heat and heat energy.